Dear student of class 6, today I will teach you decimal exercise 6a. What is decimal? See, 5 upon 2. When we divide this and 5 is not exactly divisible by 2. Okay, then what we do? 2 2s are 4, 1, then we take 0 here decimal, and 2 5s are 10. So in this two part is there, one whole number part, whole number, one part whole number, one part decimal. Okay, two parts are there, one decimal part and one whole number part. Okay, in every number 2 5.653, this is decimal number part, this is whole number part. Okay, this is decimal part and this is whole number part. Okay, these are decimals. Now two types of decimals numbers are there. One like decimals. What are the like decimals? See, after decimal, if number of digits are same, see 6.25, 3.43, 7.62, these are like decimal. Why? Because after decimal the number of digits are same. See, 5.483, 3.4, 13.4, 1, 2, these are like decimal. Why? Because number of digits after decimal are same. And 6.4, 1, 6, 16.4, 2, 5, these are not like decimals. Why? Because after decimal here 2 digit, here 3 digit. Okay, these are not like decimal. Okay, now question number 1, write the following decimals in numerals. First part, 6.2, 6.2, then 11.14, second part 11.14, 11.14. Okay, dear students. Now question number 2, draw a place value diagram and write the following number in it. What is the place value diagram? See, it is ones, tens, hundreds, it is tens, it is hundreds, hundredth, thousands, number 19.6. See, ones 9, tens 1, and tenth, it is tenth number 6. Okay, then 0.829, here ones 0, tens 2, tens 8, hundreds 2, and thousandth 9. This is thousands. Okay, thousands this side. Then it was third part. Okay, 7.29 second part I am writing now. See, ones 7, tenth, it is tenth, 2, and hundredth 9. Then 52.179. See, ones 2, 2 ones, hundred ones, now tens 5, 52 ones 2, and this tens, and tenth 1, hundred 7, and thousands 9. Okay, this is the place value diagram. Okay, dear students. Question number 4. Write decimal numbers for each. 8 upon 10. First part 8 upon 10. Dear student, when we divide any number by 10, then we place the decimal after one digit. Okay, here. Okay, 0.8. But for show only we put here 10. Then second part 7 upon 100. Again, it is divided by 100, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. We will divide by these numbers 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, then we place decimal only. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. Here second digit is not there, so we will increase 10. Here we will place the decimal after 2 digit in left side, 1, 2. Okay, then third part 5 upon 10, 5 upon 1000, then 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 digits. Now here place decimal. Okay, now 3 parts. Now fifth part 28, 9, whole 9 upon 10. Now very simple, 28, 1, so write down 9, 1, 0, then 1 digit in left side we have to put the decimal. Okay, then last part, seventh part 11 whole 65 upon 1000, then 65 you write down, 1, 2, 3. You have to place decimal after 3 digit in left side, 1, 2, third digit is not there, so 0 here, then 11. Okay, this is this question completed. Okay, dear students. Now question number 5. Write the following in expanded form. First part 1.8. So it is 1 plus 1's digit plus it is 10th digit. So 8 upon 10. Now second part 32.56. So 32 means 30 plus 2, it is 10th. So 5 upon 10, it is 100th digit, so 6 upon 100. Okay, now third part 516.378 equal to 500 plus 10 plus 10 hundredth digit, 10th digit and 1st digit, plus 6 plus 3 upon 10, 10th digit, this is 100th digit, 7 upon hundredth digit. 7 upon 100, this is thousandth digit. Then 8 upon 1000. Okay, this is question number 5. Now question number 6. Write the following in short form. First part, 3 into 1000 plus 0 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 4 into 1 plus 1 into 1 upon 10 plus 6 into 1 upon 100. It means 3000 hundreds place 0, then 5 tens and 4 ones. Point 1 and 100 digit 6. Okay, this is the number. Then third part, 5 plus 9 upon 10 plus 0 plus 3 upon 1000 plus 6 upon 10,000. It means 5.10 tenth digit, 100 digit 0, 1000 digit 3 and 10,000 digit is 6. Okay, this is question number 6.